Is the universe a simulation? What if I told you everything you know, the Earth, the stars, even your own thoughts isn't real? What if the entire universe is just a highly advanced simulation created by some unknown civilization? It sounds like science fiction, but some of the world's greatest minds, including Elon Musk and theoretical physicists, take this idea seriously. Could we really be living in a cosmic video game? And if so, who or what is running it? Let's find out. Step 1. Why do scientists think the universe might be a simulation? The idea that we live in a simulation isn't new. It comes from a theory called the simulation hypothesis, proposed by philosopher Nick Bostrom in 2003. The argument goes like this. If civilizations become advanced enough, they could create ultra-realistic simulations of entire worlds. If that's possible, then there could be billions of these simulated realities. That means the chances of us living in the one real universe are almost zero. In other words, it's more likely that we're inside a simulation than in the base reality. But is there any real evidence? Step 2. Glitches in the Matrix? Some scientists believe there are strange clues that could suggest our reality is coded, the pixel theory. Everything in the universe, from space to time itself, seems to be made up of tiny, indivisible units, just like pixels in a video game. Could this mean our reality is rendered like a computer simulation? The speed limit of light. In every simulation there are limits to what can be processed. In our universe, nothing can travel faster than light, almost as if it's a built-in rule. Quantum weirdness. At a quantum level, particles don't behave until we observe them. It's as if reality is only rendered when we look at it, just like how video games only load what's on the screen. Could these be signs that we're living in a programmed world? Step 3. Who would create the simulation? If we are in a simulation, who built it? There are a few theories. Future humans. An advanced version of humanity might have created ancestor simulations to study their past. Maybe we're just a history lesson in a computer program. Alien civilizations. A hyper-intelligent alien species might be running simulations to test different realities, and we're just one of them. A higher power. Some think the simulation hypothesis sounds a lot like religion. Could the simulators be what we call gods? If true, does that mean everything we do is controlled, or do we still have free will? Step 4. Can we escape the simulation? If we are in a simulation, can we break out? Some believe the key is in finding errors, things that shouldn't happen in a real universe. Scientists have tried looking for glitches in physical laws. If we find inconsistencies in physics or time itself, that could mean we're in a simulation. Others suggest we could hack reality, like figuring out the code behind the universe and using it to manipulate reality. What would happen if we did escape? Would we wake up in a lab, or would the simulation just reboot? Final verdict. Are we in a simulation? We might never know for sure if our reality is real, or just a highly advanced illusion. But if the universe is simulated, then how many strange, extreme worlds could exist out there? Imagine a planet where it doesn't rain water, but molten metal. That's a story for tomorrow. Stay tuned. For more mind-blowing space videos, subscribe to Knowledge Hub.